How's it going, everybody? Solo Black 313 Rise and Ride coming at you, and happy holidays. Yep, it's 2 days before Christmas, right? So I hope everybody's being safe, everyone's checking on their loved ones, and we all have peace and love. So today we're going to talk about this wireless mic from Synco. It's the G2-A2. Now, when I shoot my videos and I'm over at the storage garage or sitting like I am now, I use my Panasonic Lumix G7 along with a Rode boom mic. And sometimes when I'm over at the garage doing the filming, if I walk away from the camera or turn my head, I lose my audio. So I decided to go ahead and buy a wireless mic set. Now in this wireless mic set, you get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I've already pre-opened it. Now I'm going to open it up again so you can see what comes in the case. So you get a transmitter, and then you get a receiver. And in the bag, you're gonna get a dead cat, 2 dead cats, two microphone clips to clip to your lapel for your lav mics. You're gonna get a couple of magnets to clip on the receiver, so if you don't have a collar, you take these magnets and you can clip it to the back of the receiver. So this is the first lav mic. Then you get, let's see, there should be one more lav mic. You get this lav mic, and then now this cable right here, it goes to your camera. So you plug one into the actual transmitter, and you plug this into your mic. And now this right here, this is your TRRS cable. And with the TRRS cable, you can use this cable to connect to your smartphone. And the one thing I like about the charging cable is you get a USB, then you get 3 USB-Cs, one for each transmitter and the receiver. Then you get 2 puff covers for the mics, and that's what you get. Now, I haven't tried this system out. I just got it, but this particular Synco is a direct competitor of the DJI and the Rode product line. Like I said, I haven't tried it out. I can't wait to try it out, but I paid $130 for this system, and the DJI was $360, and I think the Rode was about $360. Now, I'm not going to be doing any range testing and seeing how far I can go, and if I turn my back, if the microphones will pick it up, because I only shoot in the way you see I'm shooting now. Either I'm at a desk or I'm in my garage, and I got the camera and I got the boom mic attached to the top of it. But like I said earlier, a lot of times especially when I'm working on the motorcycles, I'm always constantly moving away from the camera, and then I would lose audio. Now, it doesn't stop anything. It just makes it a little bit more professional if you don't drop your voice. And as everybody know, and I've experienced it too, there's nothing worse than watching a YouTube video, and when somebody's trying to explain something to you, the audio cuts out. That's no different from when you're riding your motorcycle and you get too much wind noise. So this system will help me in that. Now, one of the bad things about this system, the Synco G2, that I didn't know about, is these receivers don't allow you to store your audio in it. the DJI and the Rode particular wireless mic will let you speak into it and store your conversations until you get ready to download. These particular ones don't. I don't know if Synco will bring out a version that will let you store your voice internally, but this particular one, the G2-A2s, you can't do that with that, and that's the only thing I can see as being a kind of a letdown. And I didn't know that before I bought it. Yeah, there's not a whole bunch more to say. Like I said, I haven't tried it out yet. I just wanted to share my early Christmas gift with you guys. So I'm Solo Black 313, and if this is your first time to my channel, I am a motorcycle content creator. You can find me on Facebook at Solo Black, Instagram at Solo Black 313, and then I look forward to sharing more video as I use the Synco G2-A2 mic. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you guys.